What Manisha has her eye on. She's joining in for a roundup of all the commodities action. Those are, of course, some of the local prices on your screens. Manisha, hi, morning. So what's making it to your list today?
Well, I'm looking at precious metal prices because we totally missed putting this out yesterday. And, we have seen the silver prices continue to gain in the day-to-day as well. While we have seen $32 an ounce on the higher side there, and then there has been a bit of a profit taking on your screens right now. But even these levels of 93,000 are near all-time highs. The all-time high that we've done in the Indian markets is at 95,000. The low for 2024 has been 67,000. So 67,000 to 95,000 of a run-up clearly has been almost 30,000 rupees per kg of a run-up in case of silver. When you look at the commodity, well, we have seen an outperformance come in for this one for the month of May and for 2024 as well. While, of course, the all-time highs in gold have had their rub-off effect, it also has been about the geopolitical tension, especially in the Middle East, whether it has been statements from Israel on what has happened in Iran, and then, of course, the Saudi king not keeping well in sense of health. So the whole Middle East actually seems quite uncertain in sense of political issues there. And then the markets also have seen weaker U.S. economic data, the decline in dollar index, possibility of a rate cut by the month of September, all of that supportive as well. And then comes the metal part of it, because we are looking at a fourth year of deficit in silver, and this year the industrial demand is expected to hit an all-time high for a fourth straight time in 2024. So those are various supportive factors that you will see in case of silver continuing to support the prices going forward as well. I quickly want to take you on what India has been doing in sense of importing silver. So the month of Jan actually wasn't so strong, but the month of Feb has seen 2,000 tons of import in silver. April has been on the stronger side as well. And total imports in India right now stand at 3,943 tons, which is higher than all of last year as well. So clearly strong buying returning back in case of silver there. Also, when you look at the price returns there, while gold has given you 16% of a return in this year until now, silver has given you 26% of returns already. So very strong going, continuing in that space.
Okay. I don't even know if there's a silver lining to this news from a buyer's perspective. When we're talking prices, 96,000 in the Indian market, right? Manisha, you said?
Yes. And the low for this year has been 67,000. So
talk about that range. It's a pretty wide range and a massive rally. Thank you so much for putting that on, on our radar as well. So silver definitely sparkling bright.